Welcome to my channel. Today in this video we see how to make greeting card for Mother's Day with your own creation and with your own style. So why too late? Let's get started. For this website, please check out the link in description below and sign up. In search bar, type the greeting card and select that and it takes to other page. Now here you can create your card. You can see templates, upload photos and element. Here we have different types of shades. By using this, you can make your card look style and creative. Next, we can add the text, music and background. Select background and add it here. I'm adding a double background for my card. Now here I completed background for my card and next create the text here. After completed typing here, change font style and font color as you wish. You can see two icons here, one is for rotation and other for is movable. Next I want to add one more text here. So type text here and change the font style and font color as you wish. Now card is simple and there is more space, so I want to add picture here. I want to add round picture here, so for that go to elements and you can find different types of shapes, but I need the round shape here, so drag and adjust where you want to keep the picture. After adding the picture, I have the more space, so I want to write the text here to make it some more stylish. So finally, the card is completed with your own style. Now you can print at your home printer by downloading it. And here you have some more greeting cards for Mother's Day and you can create your own with simple and easy way. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful and please do subscribe my channel.